Okay, the new pipes are on, the mufflers, slip-on mufflers. The bags are back on. Had to make a few minor adjustments to make sure the pipes measured up. Actually, stock pipes may have been slightly off according to the brackets that were in there, but I measured it several times and I think it's where it should be. So anyway, new pipes are on. For most, they may not look a lot different than the old ones. Old ones are sitting over there. They'll be cleaned up and stored. But let's go ahead here and crank her up. Here's the fuel pump. It's fuel injected. Okay, we ready? Here's the new sound. Okay, Allie doesn't like it. Vibes in there, as usual for Harley. Okay, now we got another dog that's right inside. So anyway, that's the new sound. Hopefully on the video, once the dogs stop barking, that there will be a difference to the ear. Anyway, enough for now. I gotta calm the dogs down. Adios. It's been fun.